travel, food, at chikahan, all in one. Sa Anything Goes with June Lalim.
Ang dating ni Moira, pwede siyang parang maging very desirable. Pwede ka maging artista, di ba?
Oo, talaga.
Wala pa ba nag-o-offer sa iyo, Moira? Wala pa ba nag-o-offer sa iyo?
Hopefully very soon.
Yeah. But by saying hopefully, gusto mo rin.
Yeah,
Pwede
of
rin.
course. I mean, actually, since I was a kid, I've been dreaming to act, ganon, to perform and all that. So, if given the chance, why not, of course.
Anong genre naman? Okay ba sa'yo, if ever, kahit medyo may pagka-sexy?
Siguro in time, maybe. But for now, I guess it's not. I don't know if I can portray a role like that for now. Pero siguro in time, magiging open din ako for that. Yeah.
Travel, food, at chikahan, all in one. Sa Anything Goes with June Lalim.